Hey guys! In this video, I wanted to share with you how to find video topics for YouTube. And the first thing that you want to do is get in the habit of writing down the video ideas that come to you as you're going about your life. See, when inspiration hits, if you write that inspiration down, you will get more inspiration. And this is how I have endless video ideas for my channel. And here's the thing, if Mr. Beast, the famous YouTuber, spends an hour a day coming up with video ideas, then maybe we should be doing the same thing. And the next thing that you want to do is look at channels that are in your niche and go down and look at their video titles and video thumbnails and glean inspiration from them for video ideas. Now, this isn't copying them, this is just seeing what they're doing and seeing if you can come up with another way to talk about that topic or if a completely new topic will come to your mind. I find this strategy to be very helpful. So another thing you can do is make milestone videos. And I would get your audience used to you making a milestone video every once in a while when you accomplish a goal on your channel so that they have something to follow. So you want your subscribers to feel like they know you, to want to follow your journey and to help you be successful. And if you make milestone videos and they get used to this, not only can you share with them how you're accomplishing things on your channel, which helps them, but you can also give them kind of something to follow, which makes your channel grow a lot faster. And the next thing you can do is to set goals for your channel and then share those goals with your audience. When you do this, it gives your audience something to watch that's kind of unique and personal, and it also helps you accomplish your goals because it holds you accountable, and it creates really unique and interesting content because it's your personal goals. So these are videos for your subscribers, which can strengthen your core audience. Another very important resource to use is YouTube's auto-generate function in YouTube search. And when it auto-generates those keywords, look at those keywords that are suggested and use those as inspiration for video topics, because this is what people are actually searching for in YouTube. Another very helpful resource is TubeBuddy's Tag Explorer. You can get the app completely for free, and every single one of those tags in the Tag Explorer is an idea for a video. And there's literally endless tags, and so you should never run out of ideas for your videos. So another thing you can do is look at what keywords are driving traffic to your channel in your YouTube analytics and use those keywords as inspiration for future videos. Because every one of these keywords is something that's already working for your channel, and so if you double down on those keywords, you are likely to grow a lot faster. You can also sort your videos by most popular, and then when you do this, each of those videos that is getting the most views on your channel is a great source of inspiration for future video topics, because you can make videos on similar topics or videos that relate to that content area, and these videos are likely to perform with your audience. Another trick is to make videos about your videos. And you can do this by reusing some of your content in future videos and using your existing videos as inspiration for other video ideas. And this connects your content together and makes it more likely to have a more personal feel and to likely resonate with your audience. So it can really help you grow on YouTube. And if you're interested in growing as quickly as possible on this platform, then you need to master the search algorithm. And I have a video that will show you exactly how to rank in search. And I'll put that video right here on the screen, and I guess I'll see you guys over there in that video.